Mastering the Javelin Technique in English language learning. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we make English learning fun and easy. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting phrase, Javelin Technique. This isn't about sports, but it's a fascinating concept in language learning. So, let's unravel its meaning together. First, let's break down the phrase. A javelin is a light spear thrown in a sport. But in our context, it represents something different. The Javelin technique in language learning refers to the idea of targeting specific language skills or goals with precision and focus, much like how a javelin thrower aims at a target. Now, how can you apply this technique to English learning? It's all about focusing on one skill at a time. For example, if you want to improve your vocabulary, you could set a goal to learn and use 5 new words every day. This focused approach, like a javelin throw, helps you hit your target more effectively. The biggest benefit of the javelin technique is its efficiency. By concentrating on one aspect of the language, you can make significant progress quickly. It also helps in tracking your progress easily, as you're dealing with specific goals. 1. Set clear goals. Be specific about what you want to achieve. 2. Practice regularly. Consistency is key in hitting your target. 3. Evaluate your progress. Regularly check how close you are to your goal. 4. Stay motivated. Keep reminding yourself why you're learning English. The Javelin technique is a powerful tool in language learning. By targeting specific skills and goals, you can improve your English efficiently and effectively. We hope this video helps you in your language learning journey. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.